Hey, it's Jack here. We're here at Ethel Chocolates tonight for the walkthrough of the Christmas lights here in the Cactus Garden. A little bit brisk and chilly out here, bundled up for the weather. Let's go inside and check it out.
I'm just going to let the camera roll here, put some music on this, let you guys enjoy the lights as we walk through.
Real food, drinks, Santa, and entertainment, restrooms this way. Back this way, this is Santa. Back this way, this is the food area. We'll see what they have. As well as on a night like this, those heaters are welcome. Now this is where you get your sweet tooth on right here. You can freeze frame the screen. Look at that menu for yourself. Yeah, I'm going to go with a peppermint hot chocolate myself. This is 16-ounce peppermint hot chocolate. We'll give it a taste, see what it's like. This peppermint hot chocolate is really good, real good. If you're out here at the Lamb, recommend trying out the peppermint hot chocolate for yourself. There were some people in line that were actually ordering all the flavors of hot chocolate so they could try each one. Something else to consider while you're out here. As you come up here, exit and chocolate shop. Chocolate shop's the next stop. All you need is love and chocolate. Go ahead on in and check things out. Well, just as the years pass, I've covered this. The chocolate factory is closed because of the time of day, and it is a weekend. And it's about 7 p.m., so they're not making chocolate right now, not at least in these vats. Yep, the assembly line is down. Looks like they're doing some, oh, they do have some chocolate going on here. I spoke too soon. We can see they are making some chocolates right here. They got them ready to go through. Looks like those are heart chocolates there. We come to the other end of the assembly line here. We can see those hearts are coming out. They're all cooled down. And then they're going on the assembly line here to get packaged up. As in years past, this is their chocolate treats right here. They got their cherry cordials, cream liqueurs, truffles, nut and caramels, and satin creams. And right here they have their holiday tins and gift sets. They got the thin holiday tin here, that goes for $45, and the thicker one right here, that goes for $70. The difference is 16 pieces on the left and 32 pieces on the right. And if you don't want a holiday tin, they've got these right here. This is a Taste of Las Vegas. Ethel, those are also for $45. You get 16 pieces of chocolate right there. Over here we can see more of the holiday tins. Above that we've got these assorted chocolates. These are smaller assortments, obviously. Yeah, the caramels and the caramels and so forth here. And here's some of their gourmet hot chocolate that goes for $30 a 10. Over here we have the baking chocolates. We have the dark chocolate here, and we also have, well, this is not baking chocolate, this is hot cocoa right here, milk chocolate hot cocoa. And right here you can freeze frame your screen to see how much that goes for. And down below, if you're just wanting an American Heritage dark chocolate, they've got that right there for $5. Well, I hope you enjoyed this walk around tour of the Ethel Cactus Garden for Christmas 2024. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.